Welcome back, dear students, to my YouTube channel and e-learning program of Gokhale Education Society. I am Pardesi AI, working as an assistant teacher in Gokhale Education Society's JDC Bitco English Medium High School, Nasik Road. Once again, I am here with the geography subject of Standard 8. In the previous video of lesson number 8, Industries, we have completed factors affecting the location of an industry and types of industries such as small industry, medium industry, heavy industry. In this video, we are going to learn agro-based industries, industrial development, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, that is MIDC, corporate social responsibility. Our first topic is agro-based industries. India is predominantly agrarian country. In India, a variety of agricultural products is available. Different types of agro-based industries have come up. In addition to these, industries processing agricultural products have also developed. These include the dairy industry, fruit processing, food processing, jaggery making, etc. Industries dependent on agricultural products have been established everywhere. There has also been development of heavy industries like textile and sugar industry. Our next point is industrial development. The establishment of industries and industrial development have an important role in the economic development of a country. Industrial development is essential for improving the standard of living and increase the per capita income of the citizens. The citizens of a country get employment opportunities and their lifestyle improves. The per capita income of the country goes up and there is an increase in the export of finished products. This results in an increase of the foreign exchange reserves. For all these reasons, it is necessary to give a fillip to industrialization in a country. The government establishes industrial estates to boost industrial development and increase the employment opportunities in a country or in a region. Industries have an important role in the economic development of a country. Hence, all countries take special efforts for promoting industrial development. To enable this, industrial estates have been established. These estates are given concessional rates for electricity, water, and taxes. Our next point is Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, that is MIDC. On 1st August 1962, in Maharashtra, the state government established the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation and through it set up industries in every district of the state. The decentralization of industries is expected throughout the state. Like Maharashtra, other states have also established such corporations. In these industrial estates, very often auxiliary industries have been established. In addition, employment opportunities have been made available to local people. In these industrial estates, various facilities necessary for industries have been made available. Our next point is, can you tell? Study the factors given on page number 56 in figure 8.7 and classify them as per their advantages and disadvantages in relation to industries. Dear students, observe the figure 8.7 and words given in it. Geographical explanation. There are many advantages of industrial development. There are also some disadvantages too. Because of industrialization, the youth in an area get employment. It also helps in increasing the per capita income. For the economic development of an agrarian country, it is necessary to have industries based on agricultural products. Such industries not only result in agricultural development but also the economic development of a country. The standard of living of people also increases. Advantages of industrializations are employment opportunities, development of agriculture population, stable prices of commodities, skilled manpower, improvement in the standard of living, supply of labor, the market, more land under irrigation, development of transport facilities, communication, cultural development, literacy, boost to urbanization, ample water, uninterrupted power or electric supply. Disadvantages of industrializations are depletion of forest land, pollution, increasing land prices, slums, number of migrants, poverty, etc. Our next point is information technology industry, that is IT industry. Activity is, let's recall. First question, what are the different ways of obtaining information? Second question, which is the fastest way of obtaining information? Last question, how do WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, Maps, etc. work? Geographical explanation. Information technology is an important engineering branch in today's world. In this branch, work is carried out by computers. In this industry, India has made rapid progress. The availability of skilled manpower is the most important reason for this. In this industry, searching for technical information, obtaining, analyzing, and compiling it, presenting it graphically, and providing it as per requirement is the nature of work. All this information is obtained from the internet on computers, mobiles, and other devices. The creation or development of special softwares on these handsets is another important component of these industries. Today, there is an increase in the use of computers and technology. There is a great variety in these types of information collected and it is used all over the world. Our next point is corporate social responsibility. When an industrialist or a group of industries work for the betterment of the society and for the conservation of the environment, it is known as corporate social responsibility, CSR. Showing responsibility to society by helping needy people or needy organizations is an important task. With this objective, when an industry or a group of industries have made a profit of over 5 crores, they are expected to spend at least 2% of their profits on acts benefiting the society. For this, their assistance in the areas below is expected. First, the provision of educational facilities. Second, the provision of facilities related to health. Third, the development of the village or a region. Last, establishing centers for people like environmental development centers, etc. There is a tax rebate on the amount spent by the industry or group of industries on various schemes under corporate social responsibility. Dear students, try to do and read the activities on page number 57 and 58, such as think about it, do you know, give it a try, use your brain power, and think about it.